Dreaming of speaking English? Starting from zero? Start with the most powerful tool, vocabulary. I'm here to teach you simple words that will open the door to a big world. Ready? Let's go. Family vocabulary. Father. Father. Repeat after me. Father. Mother. Mother. Repeat after me. Mother. Mother. Daughter. Daughter. Repeat after me. Daughter. Daughter. Brother. Brother. Repeat after me. Brother. Brother. Sister. 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 Repeat after me. Sister. Sister. Son. 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 Repeat after me. Son. Son. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. New English words and fun lessons every week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.